Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Jagdish. I hope everyone is awake by now after hearing to all these beautiful pitches. If not, I'll try to make you up. Um, so, uh, I'm actually going to just talk about a few things. I don't have a mic here, so I'll just try to work with this thing. So why are we doing what we are doing and how are we doing that? So as a kid growing up, a few things we always hated was a doctor, a school, a teacher, a tutor. And everybody talked about a few things like education needs to change, learning needs to change. But nobody really spoke about the whole thing which we used to, and I think somebody mentioned this whole bag which we used to carry. The bag used to carry all these heavy books. So which I'm sure nobody really loved as such, and nobody loved their kids carrying those. So that's the reason why we are doing this. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So the doctor went away. What we are trying to do is a mango a day keeps the teacher away or the tutor away or whatever, the books away essentially. So why are we doing it again is because books are not engaging and fun, they have not evolved beyond paper, and that's where the distinction lies right now. E-books are expensive, there's no really way to collaborate and learn these books, and books are either built for a platform, which is either an iPad or Android or whatever. And the other part is publishers, who are the ones who actually make books. They don't know how to get these books online, they don't really have a way to make it available for different platforms. And they always are afraid of this thing called DRM, which they don't really know and understand, but they still say that we don't want DRM in these things. So again, why the journey of learning has evolved from paper to e-books, and now the whole new generation of e-textbooks and the interactive things which you have all been hearing about. So what are we doing? What are we doing is basically bringing books to life. The idea is as simple as that, why not make the book interactive? And why not have the book itself have videos in it, have the images, quizzes, tests, adaptive, whatever, all these fun things you talk about here. What if I just make the book itself that much fun so that I don't have to really go the roundabout way of changing the whole disruption in education and learning? If my book can give me a question, a video to help that understand. So how do I do that? Basically, that's where we have a platform, Mango Reader and Editor. Using the editor, anybody essentially here can actually create their own book or take an existing book, add videos to it through an HTML5 platform, add a quiz to it, add interactive images, whatever you want to. And you own the content, privacy, piracy, whatever you can think of is taken care of. The best part is you can create virality in your own content, because if a kid is reading, they can share this content with others and more people start learning from that. So that's a sample snapshot of the platform. You can add videos, images, create your own content and book. So there's basically this entire ecosystem we are trying to work with: publishers, content creators, authors. So essentially even a parent can create a wonderful storybook for their own kids, because that's the best way a kid can learn from their parents. So that's the platform which can allow even a parent to become a tutor to their own kid. We work with institutions right now and publishers, and we also have presence in key schools through our different offerings. Our reader platform works on all devices, HTML5 platform, which means the content is scalable, can work across devices. You don't have to worry about, if I read it here, can I read it there or not? Again, you can watch videos, audio in the books, and you can basically follow whatever your friends are reading. Each book is now your own social network. So you can actually talk to your friends who are reading your same book as you are reading, and you can follow their notes and discuss things amongst each other. So now there's no other basically trying to go in different places or whatever it is. And you can take notes, highlights. So that's the offerings we have: a store where you can buy these books. You don't have to buy the book also. You can actually buy the individual chapter if you want to, or even the premium content or these videos. So it's like you decide what you want to buy essentially. So I hope you see a world of potential. We have definitely do that. And Mango Reader, that's all it is.